Hello, welcome to part 3 of the Inside Track Club membership deal only deals for April. Today we're going to be looking at the items offered by US General. As I mentioned in the other videos, there were like 220 some odd items in the Inside Track Club sales this month. So I was trying to break them down a little bit so they were a little bit easier to digest and the videos weren't so long. So first off, let's just take a look here. We've got the US General 22-inch Inlocker Series 3. And as you can see, there's multiple colors. So it should be any color to match any of your toolbox equipment you already have. They're knocking, it says $130, but I'm counting $100 off. It's $3.99, now it's $2.99. Still a solid deal, even though their coupon doesn't make any sense. Then there's the US General 27 by 22 Rolling Cab Series 2. This also is in multicolor, should match any of your US General equipment. It's down to $349.99. It says save 30, but the way I count it, that's saving $50. How about a 1/2-inch drive metric magnetic sock holder? It's a socket holder. It's not a sock holder. Anyway, it's down 34% to $14.99. Here's a 1/2-inch drive SAE magnetic socket holder. This is the SAE version. It's coming in also at $14.99. Here's a US General top chest. It's 56 by 22. It's also the Series 3. And as you can see, it's got all the popular colors. So you should be able to match it up with what you already have. We're going to save $100 with our membership deal. So it's down to $4.99. Here's a 4-tier shelf. Can't have too many places to store things if you're like my shop. Normal price $29.99 down to $19.99. Here's some 15-slot wrench organizers. It's 2-piece. And I know my previous video had the nice wrench sets. I think they were 14-piece. So this would work well for both of those sets, SAE and metric. Member price is $9.99 on these. Magnetic paper towel holder. These things are great. You just stick them inside of your toolbox, stick your paper towels in there. I don't think it's necessarily a sale price, but $14.99. I guess they're emphasizing their new purple color, but it also comes in colors to match your existing toolbox. How about a power and air tool drawer organizer? So if you got your drawer big enough there for your power tools, instead of hanging them on a rack, you might want to put them in the drawer. This is on sale for $24.99, down from $29.99. Here's another wrench rack. This one's 15 slot and it's magnetic. It's 28% off, down to $17.99. Here's a 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch multiple rail socket tray. That's be handy. I need to take a look at that one myself. $12.99. Same thing here in red, SAE version, metric and SAE, $12.99. Here's a US General 72 by 22 hutch. It's also the Series 3 in the multicolors, saving $100 on it. It's down to $5.99. Magnetic cup holder for the side of your toolbox or anywhere else that you can stick a magnet. It's down to $8.99. It's in all the popular colors of the US General toolboxes. How about a 10.5 by 11.5-inch magnetic stainless steel parts tray? 33% off, down to $11.99. That's our US General items for April for the Inside Track Club membership. So as you can see, many or one or a couple of those deals, it don't take much to pay a $29.99 membership, and then you get all the other benefits for the free tools and the early access to things. Hope this information was valuable to you and you find something you like. And if you will, like, subscribe, share, comment, offer me suggestions. And until the next video, y'all take care.